Reference on these washing machines, hot's on the bottom and cold is on the top. There's something good to know when you're in a situation where you can't see back there. These are pretty much stamped into the metal, so that's nice, but for this machine, this is a Kenmore Stackable washer dryer. Hot's on the bottom, and cold is on the top. Hopefully that spares somebody some trouble. It spares me some trouble because I forget these things, and this way I can look it up nice and easy. Hot's on the bottom, cold on the top. You know, for regular plumbing, hot's usually on the left and cold on the right. Hot on the left and cold on the right.
When you're facing the appliance or fixture.
So this one, of course, hot is left and cold is right. And it looks reversed, but that's because I'm at the back of the machine, and we would flip it this way for the correct direction of the machine. So hot's on the left and cold is on the right, and then here hot's on the left and cold is on the right.
A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.